Hi guys, my name is Akash Ubale. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we will learn how to make a white and black images, okay, or any photo. So just go on colorization, click on colorization, then open colorization SG, then you will get a colorization your black and white photos. For example, I can show you. They are giving us a demo. Okay, you can. This is a color. This is black and white. Okay, so let's see. Upload a black and white photos. This is a Kaisa. I'm not a robot. Click over here. They will press okay. Select a photo. Just go on. Okay, I will select this photo from my desktop. Open it. Let let it get load. Just give it time. Come on. Okay, this is the results. Okay, so this is the color one. This is black and white. We uploaded the color one, and the result is black and white. So you can, which one you want to take, you can take it. Okay, or there are options: download the result, download the comparison, and color the new photo. If you want to do more things, you can do from this. Okay, so download the comparison, download the result. I will download the result first of all. Okay, I will show you what is the result. Just give me a second. The result is black and white. Let's see. Come on. Taking some time. Okay, it's coming. Boom, this is the black and white images. Okay, and let's take a comparison also for our YouTube thumbnail. Okay, then afterwards we will write over here. Okay, 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 this will make a very interesting thumbnail, no? Let's click over here, open, like it. Okay, this is the comparison 1 and 2. Okay, this is the comparison 1 and 2. So like this you can make photo, your thumbnail, anything, black and white. This is very easy. So go on over this site, Colorize SG, and tell me how it is, and subscribe my channel, support. Okay, bye, take care.